Well, the bike needed a bath, so figured I'd put her out in the rain, and I guess that worked pretty well. She's cleaning up pretty good. She's just got to shake off a little bit now. She'll be fine. No mud. All her mud's off. What's up, tribe? Welcome to Pajama Garage. So it's Friday night, New Year's Eve night. We're going to go ahead and come out in the garage and show you what's actually wrong with the Grand America. Wasn't planning on riding this for the winter. The Harley was not going to be my winter bike. But now that this is down again, I'm going to have to get some heated grips for this. And I already got some more winter pants on the way that have a little more thermal lining on them than the ones I have now. To explain what happened to the Grand America, the starter clutch went out, the spring got bad, and would not engage the starter. It stayed inside the transmission. So I brought it in. It took a month for them to fix it, and I just got it back. And this is not a BMW problem. This was something that happened in the shop when I had it fixed. But I got it back yesterday, drove it home, and when I got it home, I had a puddle of oil under the bike. So you can look in here if you can see there's a whole lot of oil inside there. It's hard to put the light on it and have you see it at the same time, but up in the cavity there's a lot of oil. Up inside there's a lot of oil. It's coming down the pan. It's running all down the belly there. So I'm not exactly sure where it's coming from, but it's sure pouring everywhere. So not good, not a good look for the bike. So I called them, they're gonna come pick it up. It's a really good dealership. I don't wanna knock them. I'm not gonna say their name just in case, you know, people wanna throw their name in the dirt. It's a really good dealer, got some really good guys in there. But the bike itself, man, his bike has performed flawlessly. I'll tell you, I'll give you that. She just had some things wrong with her. So what we're trying to do is get her back in the shop, get her fixed up. They're gonna pick her up Tuesday. But until then, this is the bike. So luckily I have good winter gear. Indy Ridge gave me lots of good gear, good boots, good gloves, got nice gauntlet gloves from them. And I got some pants from Cycle Gear. They have a really nice line there. And then I got some Steelworker jeans to go under the thermal pants. So I guess I'm set for winter. I just need to get some heated grips on this. I've liked these bright green ones because they match the bike. The only heated ones I can find are black, so I'm gonna have to do steel with black hand grips. I guess that's it for now. I'm just gonna give you a quick update. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the comment. Come back to Pajama Garage and see what's going on. Goodbye.